Hello, welcome back to the new episode of Car DNA. Mercedes has came up again with an all-new made in India luxury vehicle, that is its AMG GLC 43 facelift version that looks really ravishing and beauty with brains. So let's check out what it offers for its customers of India. The vehicle is locally assembled in its Chakan facility that marks Mercedes-Benz India's 10th launch. The locally assembled GLC 43 Coupe cost 14 lakh more than the standard GLC 300 Coupe and rupees 13 lakh more than the GLC 300D Coupe. The reason why it has got a decent price in terms of sale in India is being manufactured locally that keep the vehicle in high demand. When we talk about its exterior, the updated GLC 43 Coupe looks a lot like standard GLC Coupe facelift. It has got some of the specific changes outside like a rear diffuser element, tweaked front bumper, side skirts, Panamericana grille, quad exhaust and 20 inches of alloy wheels gives a very trendy look on the outside and makes a difference between GLC 43 Coupe apart from the standard GLC. Now comes the interior part. A dual screen setup with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.25-inch MBUX touchscreen infotainment system, along with a Burmester audio system are standard fit with 3 AMG specific display styles on offer, that is classic, sport and super sport. Although red highlights sport seats, a flat-bottomed steering wheel and aluminium paddle shifters rejuvenate the sporty feel in the cabin. The GLC 43 houses a 3.0-liter turbo petrol V6 engine producing 390 horsepower and 520 Nm of peak torque. It gives a 9-speed transmission and the power of the all-new made in India AMG got an update of 23 horsepower from the pre-facelift GLC. The most amazing technological advancement about the performance is that the power generated from the engine that I mentioned earlier is sent to all the 4 wheels via a 9-speed automatic gearbox and AMG Performance 4MATIC all-wheel drive system that gives 69% of the total output to its rear wheels. Let's talk about the rivals Mercedes got. The GLC 43 closest rivals in the Indian market is Porsche Macan that costs around 83.95 lakh Indian rupees that gives a whooping 7.25 lakh rupees of margin. So I hope you like the video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching the video.